Today, let's learn how to update applications in iPhone in iOS. So of course, all we need to do first is to update our device on iOS. So if we double check this device and our software updates, this should be on iOS 15. Just wait a few seconds. And yes, we are currently on iOS and there's a new update. But of course, this current software or iOS version on this iPhone is iOS. So once we have checked that, all we need to do next is to head on to the App Store. Okay, so because once we are over here on the App Store now, we can actually go to let's head on to our profile over here and then click on our profile picture. And here we have the options to actually update the applications over here. Over here on the lower part of the screen, when we scroll up here, we have the upcoming automatic updates. Of course, you can choose to click on Update All, or you could actually choose to click on the specific app that you want to update, and then of course, update it. So for example, we want to update TikTok. So let's just click on Update, and it will automatically update the application for us. But of course, if you also want to update all of these apps, we'll just click on Update All, and of course, all of the applications will be updated at the same time. And of course, if we just, let this be and let's just not choose to update these, the iOS will automatically update these applications for us, even if we don't want to update them at all, because of course, it will always optimize these applications for our users' user experience, and of course for the best user experience, because of course Apple just wants the best for us. And of course, these applications need to update themselves if they have some bugs to fix, and some problems to fix as well. Alright guys, that's all for this video, and I'll see you